Okay, this cicada killer has a cicada, but she can't find her nest hole because I closed it a little while ago. She's got a cicada there trying to take it down the hole, but she's got to dig the hole open again. There it is. Cicada killer and a cicada. She's dragging that thing around. She's probably got it paralyzed already. She wants to feed it to her babies, but she doesn't know what to do with it because I closed its hole. I closed her hole in the ground just a little while ago. I was kind of exploring it and trying to dig the hole open wider. There was grass around it, but I pulled the grass and it closed the hole. Here's the cicada killer up here. Where is she? There she is. She's still wrestling, dragging that cicada everywhere she goes. Very interesting. She's got to let the cicada down so she can open her nest hole again. She's trying to dig it open. Oops, where'd she go? Lost her. There we go. Oh, she's digging. She's digging. I think she's getting it in there. I see just the tail of the cicada now. I guess she got it in there. Oops. Yeah, I guess it's in there now. Okay, she's probably not very happy with me for closing her nest like that, but oh well. At least I know it's an active nest and I can come back and give her some nice ammonia to drink later after nightfall.